Maari to Gandar Looti to Bhandar. With so many scams unfolding, this might just become your go-to phrase. Let's have a look at it word by word. Gandar means rhinoceros. Maari means to kill or hunt. Now from the conjugation of the word, we can understand this is a first person verb. So ami mari or amra mari, which means I kill or hunt or we kill or hunt. Now in sentences, generally this phrase is used in the singular case. So we will encounter most of the sentences where the phrase is used in the sense that I kill or hunt. With similar logic of the context and the conjugation as in the previous verb, Looti will imply I rob. Bhandar in Bengali generally means a storehouse. It does not imply the general meaning of Bhandar does not imply any valuables associated with it. For example, you can have a storehouse of food items as well. But in this phrase, Bhandar not only implies a storehouse but also implies that that storehouse contains some valuable items. To in the sentence, you can see there are toes in the first and the second sentence. It's used as an emphasizer. So when I say Maari to Gandar, Looti to Bhandar, literally the sentence translates to if I kill a rhinoceros. If I rob a storehouse. Now the implied meaning here is I don't undertake any small projects. I am here to achieve only stretch targets. For example, if I will kill anything, I will not target anything lesser than an animal which is as big as a rhinoceros. If I will rob something, I will not target anything lesser than a storehouse of jewels or cash, hard cash, like a high value robbery. That's what I will conduct. So it just implies that I will go for big projects and not something small. In that sense, it's similar to the English phrase shoot for the stars, but the connotation of the phrase in Bengali is slightly sarcastic, because it can also be used in the sense that the person who is using who is basically trying to achieve that project may not actually have the capacity for that. So it's used in both contexts. Literally, if someone has undertaken a huge project which is not quite morally correct, or in the sense that if someone is trying to undertake a project which is not in proportion to his or her capabilities. Let's see a couple of examples. 35টা প্রপার্টি আর 50 কোটি টাকার স্ক্যাম, এ তো দেখছি মারি তো গন্ডার লুটি তো ভান্ডার। 35টা প্রপার্টি আর 50 কোটি টাকার স্ক্যাম, এ তো দেখছি মারি তো গন্ডার লুটি তো ভান্ডার। 35 properties and 50 crore rupees scam. This seems to be a huge out of bounds project. পিকলু ক্লাস টেস্টে পাশ করে না, কিন্তু ম্যাথস অলিম্পিয়াডে নাম দিয়েছে, একেবারে মারি তো গন্ডার লুটি তো ভান্ডার। পিকলু ক্লাস টেস্টে পাশ করে না, কিন্তু ম্যাথস অলিম্পিয়াডে নাম দিয়েছে, একেবারে মারি তো গন্ডার লুটি তো ভান্ডার। Piklu can't score in class tests, but he has enrolled in Maths Olympiad, which is a very difficult exam. A bad case of shooting for the stars. Here it is used in a sarcastic manner that this person is not acting in accordance with his or her capabilities.